Dear friends, in class 7 we are studying 4th chapter simple equations and we are solving problems from exercise 4.3. We have the fourth question. Construct three equations starting with x is equal to 2. Please try to understand this. This is the opposite way we were doing. Earlier we were given the equations and we were finding the solution by either transposing or adding, subtracting same number from to both sides, or multiplying and dividing, doing division of by same number to both the sides. We know that if we add or subtract same number to both sides, then equality remains equality. If we divide both sides by same number, equality remains equality. If we multiply by same number to both sides, equality remains equality. So this is what we have studied and used for solving the equations. Now we are given the solution. Construct three equations starting with x is equal to 2. So solution is given. We need to write the equations. Now how this can be done? See here. Construct three equations. Solution. Here we are given the answer. X is equal to 2 is the solution. We need to construct the equations. So this can be constructed by multiplying any number to both the sides. We have already studied that if you multiply by same number to both sides, equality remains equality. So this can be, we can write some of the equation like this. Multiply both sides by 2. So if you multiply by same number, you will get equality will equality. 2x, the left hand side will be 2x, 2 multiplied by x is 2x, and right hand side 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. That is 2 into 2 is 4. So we will get 2x is equal to 4. So this is one of the equation. Now if you multiply by other number, if you multiply by 3x, multiply both sides by 3, you will get 3x is equal to 3 to the 6. So this is second equation. If you multiply by 4 to both sides of equation, we will get 4x is equal to 4 to the 8. So these are the three different equations which we can obtain by multiplying. Now similarly we can obtain by dividing also. So divide both sides by 2. So you will get x upon 2 is equal to 2 upon 2. So you will get x upon 2 is equal to 1. So this is also one of the equation. If you divide both sides by same number, equality remains equality. It means by multiplying both sides by a common number, dividing both sides by same number, we can get different equation. Not only this, if we add same number to both sides, then also equality remains equality. So if you add 3 to both sides of the equation, given equation you can say. So you will get x plus 3 is equal to 2 plus 3. So you will get x plus 3 is equal to 5. So this is also one of the equation. Please note, by adding same number to both sides, we can get equation. Now if you subtract same number from both sides, then also we will get an equation. Subtract 4 from both sides of the equation. So we will get x minus 4 is equal to 2 minus 4. So x minus 4 is x minus 4, 2 minus 4 is x minus 4 is equal to negative 2. So this is another equation. So here please note, by adding same number to both sides, by subtracting same number from both sides, by dividing both the sides by same number, or by multiplying both sides by a same number, we can get different equations. So I have on board written 6 equations, only 3 were asked. You can do any number, you can use any number to divide, add, subtract or multiply to get the different equations. Dear friends, next question is construct 3 equations starting with x equal to minus 2. So we are given x equal to minus 2. Now I have already told you, if you add same number to both sides, we get another equation which is valid. Means we get, if we add same number to both sides, equality remains equality or equality does not change. So here x equal to -2, multiply both sides by both sides by 2. So you will get 2x is equal to 2 multiplied by -2 is -4. So this is the one of the equation. This was a given equation and we have, by multiplying the same number, we have got another equation. Now you can obtain by dividing also. Divide both sides of equation 1. Divide both sides of equation 1 by 3. You will get x upon 3 is equal to -2 upon 3. So this is also one of the equation. Now if you add same number to both sides, then also we'll get the equation. Add 4 to both sides of equation. So you will get x plus 4 is equal to -2 plus 4. This is solvable, so you get x plus 4 is equal to 2. It means we can get by adding same number to both sides. Now similarly, if you subtract same number from both sides, then also we can get another equation. So subtract 1 from both sides of the equation. So you will get x minus 1 is equal to -2 minus 1. So this is equal to x minus 1 is equal to -3. So this is another equation. Please note here, by multiplying both sides by the same number, we get an equation. By dividing both sides by the same number, we get another equation. By adding same number to both sides, we get another equation. By subtracting same number from both sides, we get an equation. So these are the different ways to obtain the equations. Now not only this, but you can do the multiple operations. After doing this, you can add the same number. Means you add 4 to both sides of equation 2. Now please note, this is equation 2. 2x is equal to -4, and if you add 4 to both sides of the equation, we will get 2x plus 4. 2x plus 4 is equal to -4 plus 4. This -4 plus 4 is 0, so you will get 2x plus 4 is equal to 0. So this is also another form of equation. So please note, after multiplication you can do the addition of a same number. Please note, I am doing combination operations, still equation remain equation. You can here also, in subtraction, here in multiplication you can do the subtraction, in division you can do the addition, in addition you can do the multiplication. So you can get different equations to obtain the different equations. You can do this operation multiple times. See, for example, let us take the example equation number 4. If you divide both sides by 3, divide both sides of equation 4 by 3, we will get x plus 4 upon 3 is equal to 2 upon 3. So this is yet another form of equation of the same equation, that is x is equal to -2. If you try to solve, you will get the same answer, x is equal to -2. You solve any of these equations. If you solve any of these equations, you will always get x is equal to -2. So these are the different ways to write the equations. From solution you can write the equations.